Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reorder projects on Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page where all your creative work is displayed. Once you land on your profile, take a look at the navigation options at the top of the page. You'll want to make sure you're currently on the Work tab. This tab displays all your uploaded projects and is where you'll be able to manage and organize them. If you're not already on this section, simply click on Work to switch to it. Now here's where the magic happens. Reordering your projects on Behance is incredibly straightforward and intuitive. To move a project to a different position, simply click and hold on the project thumbnail you want to relocate. While holding down your mouse button, drag the project to wherever you want it to appear in your portfolio. You'll notice that as you drag, the other projects will automatically shift to make room for the one you're moving. This gives you complete control over how your work is presented to visitors and potential clients. You can repeat this drag and drop process for all of your projects. Go through each one and arrange them in the order that best showcases your skills and creativity. Maybe you want your most recent work at the top, or perhaps you'd prefer to lead with your strongest pieces regardless of when they were created. The choice is entirely yours, and you can rearrange them as many times as you need until you're satisfied with the layout. And that's it, you've successfully reordered your Behance projects to create a portfolio that tells your creative story exactly the way you want. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.